So this is my game. This is my project, and it's a Monopoly game based off Harry Potter, which is the book I was reading. And it has a little bit of a different thing from Monopoly. Like, as for example, it doesn't have properties. There's these cards. There's a mystery word. And the mystery card could say something like wand. Then you need to try and get someone on your team, or if you're playing with two other people, you try to get them to say it, and they have to say it if they know what it is, and that's cheating. Then you get 10 points. Then you put it at the bottom. There's also house point cards, which are over here. You turn this over, and it can give you, this is the death card, one of the terrible sports cards, you get minus 300. And that means you get out of 300 out of the points, which you get over here. And you start off with 100, so this is a very bad first card to get, because then you're going to debt, you're going to debt 200. There's also trivia, which is you have to try and get people to answer questions. Like for the example, this one says, how many houses are there in Hogwarts? And if someone on your team guesses it, you get +5. If another team guesses it, they get +5. There's also Death Eater cards, which can say +70 you defeat the Death Eater, and then you get 70. Also, there's a chance of getting this card, the 500-point card, if you defeat Voldemort. Oh yeah, here are the rules. The rules of the game. There are 4. There's Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, and Gryffindor. Like, you must win by having the most points when someone defeats Voldemort, which is one of the Death Eater cards. There's also house points, add to team points, game points, we forgot to add. You can lose points. Death Eater, lose points, or maybe gain. Mystery word, you have 1 minute to make your team guess the word without saying it yourself. 10 points, or any team can guess it after 1 minute. Trivia, random questions worth 5 points, or a surprise. So those are those rules. Like, if I go through and I land here, like, mystery word, that's this. These cards are mystery words, like sort of yellowy, and they have an MW. Then I get one of these. If I then get sent onto one of those blue ones, I pick up this, and I get +100. Then I would add 100 to my total score over there, which would be on my side. Oh yeah, we have to use dice to discuss things. Like, I got a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's pretend I landed on that. Then I pick up one of these. And boom, how many points are there in the snitch? Wait, sorry, how much points is the snitch? Which is 150. Then I get, wait, what does it say I get? I have to check this, sorry. I get 5 points. And if I land on this is the dungeon, which you get sent from that. That start gives you +20. And the invisibility cloak is another special one. If you land on it, you get sent way over here, and you get your +20. So yeah, that's my project. I hope that you guys liked it.